Is your face looking puffier than usual, with cheeks that seem fuller and rounder? If you've been noticing this, you might have come across the term cortisol face on social media platforms like TikTok. This term has gained popularity and describes the phenomenon where your face appears swollen due to high cortisol levels. However, is there more to this than just a trending catchphrase? In this video, we'll explore what cortisol face really is, its potential causes, and offer practical yoga and massage techniques to help you achieve a slimmer, more defined face. The term cortisol face, also known as moon face, has been widely discussed online, suggesting that elevated cortisol levels, the stress hormone, could lead to facial bloating and puffiness. This condition is marked by facial swelling, giving the face a round, puffy appearance. However, despite the buzz on social media, it's essential to clarify that cortisol face is not an officially recognized medical diagnosis. High cortisol levels do have some impact on facial appearance, but this effect is usually associated with more severe medical conditions such as Cushing syndrome, which involves excessive cortisol production. Cushing syndrome is quite rare, and everyday stress is unlikely to cause such extreme facial changes. Health experts indicate that while chronic stress can contribute to mild facial swelling, it is generally not the sole cause of significant bloating. Stress-induced cortisol elevation can lead to subtle changes in facial appearance due to processes like lipogenesis, where increased cortisol results in fat accumulation around the face, neck, and abdomen. Moreover, high cortisol levels can cause water and sodium retention in facial tissues, contributing to puffiness. However, these effects are typically minimal and more pronounced only in cases of prolonged, severe stress or specific medical conditions. Regular stress generally does not cause enough of an increase in cortisol to result in noticeable facial swelling. Persistent high cortisol levels, typically from chronic stress, can lead to immune system suppression and increased inflammation, potentially causing more noticeable puffiness. If you've noticed your face becoming more swollen, it is essential to consider various contributing factors. Dietary habits play a significant role, with high salt intake leading to water retention and facial swelling. Allergic reactions can also cause facial puffiness, while certain medications such as steroids may result in fluid retention. Underlying medical conditions like hypothyroidism or kidney disease are also potential contributors to facial swelling. Furthermore, lack of sleep can exacerbate a puffy appearance. To manage a puffy face, there are several practical steps you can take. Reducing your salt intake is crucial as it helps decrease water retention. Drinking plenty of water further aids in flushing out excess sodium and reducing bloating. Improving your sleep quality can enhance your overall appearance and reduce puffiness. Additionally, applying a cold compress to the affected areas can help reduce facial swelling, and a lymphatic drainage massage can encourage fluid drainage and alleviate puffiness. In addition to lifestyle changes, incorporating facial yoga and massage can be highly effective in reducing facial fat and achieving a slimmer appearance. Here are some techniques you can try. Start with a cheek puff exercise, where you puff air into your cheeks and hold it for 10 seconds, then move the air left and right for 20 seconds to target fat around the cheeks. Repeat this movement 10 times. Next, perform the lip kiss exercise by puckering your lips 10 times, which helps reduce fat around the cheeks and chin. Another effective technique is cheek sucking, where you suck in your cheeks and hold them for 10 seconds, repeating this 5 times to address excess fat around the cheeks and chin. You can also try balloon breathing, which involves inflating your cheeks as if blowing up a balloon and then exhaling. Doing this 5 times helps thin out cheek fat. Lastly, practice lip movement by keeping your lips inside and moving your mouth up and down 10 times to help define your jawline. For a more comprehensive approach, combine these exercises with facial massage. Start by applying cream or oil to your face, then place your hand in a triangle shape in the center of your face and rub downward towards the collarbone, repeating this 10 times. Follow this with the cheek massage, using your palms to rub the cheek upward towards the sides and then downward to the lower jaw. Repeat this on both sides and finish by rubbing down your neck. To clear your jawline, perform the chin massage by massaging upward from the chin with both hands. Lastly, focus on the cheek area massage by gently massaging the area around your cheeks with your fingers, moving outwards to the sides and then rubbing down your neck. Regularly performing these exercises and massages for at least 2 weeks can yield noticeable results. Remember to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water to maximize the benefits. Addressing a puffy face and chubby cheeks involves a combination of understanding potential causes, making dietary and lifestyle adjustments, and incorporating effective facial exercises. While cortisol face might not be a widespread medical condition, managing stress and employing targeted facial yoga and massage techniques can help achieve a slimmer appearance. For persistent issues, always consult with a healthcare professional to determine the underlying causes and appropriate treatment. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips.